Hello students, today we are going to see a question on final account. Okay, so question is given that from the following trial balance and adjustments, Mrs. Apeksha and Pratiksha, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2013 and balance sheet as on that date. Now see the trial balance given as capital accounts of Apeksha, Pratiksha, purchases and sales, sundry debtors and creditors, bills receivable and bills payable, opening stock, wages, investments, postage and telegrams, insurance, plant and machinery, furniture, cash in hand, carriage, bad debts, prepaid rent, salaries. So the total of trial balance is 2,12,800. Now adjustments are given here. First adjustment is given, the closing stock is valued at rupees 31,000. Second adjustment, outstanding wages rupees 1,400. Third adjustment, depreciate furniture at 10% per annum. Fourth adjustment, insurance rupees 500 is paid in advance. Then next, fifth adjustment, provide for further bad debts of rupees 1,500. The next adjustment number 6 is goods worth rupees 2,000 withdrawn by Apeksha for her domestic use but not recorded in the books of account. Now from the adjustments we have to tick on trial balance, that is adjustment on sundry debtors, thereafter adjustment on wages, thereafter adjustment on insurance, next adjustment on furniture, and next is on bad debts. Okay, so in final account first we have to go for the steps. First step is posting of trial balance. So first you have to go for posting of trial balance. Then second step, go for the adjustments, and next is closing of each account. Now see, in trading account debit side, first item comes opening stock sequence as per the sequence. Second item will come purchases and third sequence comes trading account credit side is buy sales. So our opening stock amount is given 18,000, purchases 46,700, wages 9,900 plus outstanding wages is 1,400, total is 11,300. So outstanding wages का second effect goes to balance sheet liabilities, outstanding wages 1,400. Now see, trading account credit side buy sales is given 85,000. Then there is adjustments, partner withdraw goods for domestic use. So first effect goes trading account credit side by drawing of goods by Apeksha rupees 2,000, and second effect goes to partners capital account debit side to drawing rupees 2,000 in the column of Apeksha. Like this, first we have to complete trading account. Now see, in trading account these items are recorded. Now next is profit and loss account. Salaries debit side 10,500, postage and telegram. Then insurance is 1,200, but there is the adjustment less prepaid insurance 500. So 1,200 minus 500 comes 700. So prepaid insurance ka second effect goes to balance sheet asset side, prepaid insurance asset side 500. Thereafter again come to profit and loss account debit side. Bad debts is given 400. There is the adjustment further new bad debts 1,500, total comes 1,900. So second effect asset side, sundry debtors का amount is 28,000 less RDD 1,500, outer columns come 26,500. Now see, depreciation on furniture is given. So balance sheet asset side furniture is 18,000 less depreciation 1,800, total comes 16,200. This is the first effect. Second effect goes to profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on furniture 1,800. Now we have to see trading account. Credit side is more, trading account credit side is 18,000 and trading account debit side is less. So trading account credit side minus trading account debit side, whatever the difference comes, trading account debit side is called as gross profit. So here gross profit is coming 38,800. So this gross profit transfer to profit and loss account credit side. By gross profit brought down 38,800. By gross profit brought down. Then here profit and loss account credit side is more, 38,800, debit side is less. So again profit and loss account credit side minus profit and loss account debit side, whatever difference comes, that is called as net profit. So this net profit comes 20,300. 20,300. Okay. Now this net profit should be divided among the partners. So ratio is not given, so we will consider the ratio is equal. So 20,300 divided by two partners. Each partner will get 10,150, 10,150. Apeksha will get 10,150 and Pratiksha will get 10,150. So this net profit transferred to partners capital account. So first partners capital account opening balance is given, then net profit, then what we get partners capital account ka credit side is more. So credit side minus debit side. So Pratiksha capital account credit side is 45,150. There is no balance. So closing balance will come 45,150. Apeksha credit side is 70,150 minus 2,000 debit side drawing. The difference balance comes 68,150. So these two balances, Apeksha ka 68,150 and Pratiksha ka 45,150 should be transferred to balance sheet liabilities. Apeksha 68,150, Pratiksha 45,150. So total comes 1,13,300. Thereafter sundry creditors 25,000, bills payable 7,800, outstanding wages 1,400. These are liabilities. Now balance sheet asset side, plant and machinery 40,700, furniture outer column is 16,200, investment is 13,500, bills receivable 9,600, sundry debtors 26,500. Cash in hand 2,500, prepaid rent 7,000, closing stock 31,000 and prepaid insurance is 500. So finally our balance sheet get the tally at 1,47,500. So we remember in trading account there will be difference, either a debit side will be more or a credit side is more. In this question trading account ka credit side is more and debit side is less, that's why there is a gross profit. This is gross profit transferred to profit and loss account credit side. So in profit and loss account also there is a difference. Profit and loss account ka credit side is more and debit side is less. That's why difference comes profit and loss account debit side, that difference considered as net profit. Okay, and finally this net profit distributed among the partners, ratio is not given, that's why we are distributing equally. So net profit is 20,300 divided by two partners, so each partner will get 10,150. So this net profit transferred to partners capital account and partners capital account ka closing balances transferred to finally balance sheet. So this is our final account. One more time I want to remind you, students, please, whenever you are studying final account, so please first step go for posting of trial balance. Posting is most important. After posting you can go for the adjustment, what to be plus, what to be minus, and after posting go for the closing of each account. Okay, thank you students.